Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Thanks so much for stopping by. So back-to-back videos today. I was actually in the middle of editing another video that should be live on the channel by now, and a package showed up in the mail, and you guys are going to know from the thumbnail, this is the new Q Timex. There was a lot of hype on this watch across a bunch of different social media platforms, and this ended up selling out on day one. I got lucky and got it through the Timex Canada site that day, so just a quick unboxing and first impressions. I also want to take a look at another company just quickly with you guys today, and that is Popov Leather. They reached out a little over a month ago and sent out some of their products. They make really nice Horween leather straps as well as wallets, belts, that sort of thing. So they sent out a strap and a wallet. I just wanted to show you guys really affordable Horween products compared to some of the other companies out there. So let's spin the camera around and we'll check this stuff out. All right, so Popov Leather is a company out of British Columbia. They make handmade straps made in British Columbia. They're actually made to order, so if you're ordering either a strap, a wallet, a belt, there's a few different styles. You can also pick the different color of leather. You can choose from different colors of thread. The thread that they are using, by the way, is tiger thread. This is one of the better threads out there for leather work, and the stitch work that they do is really well done. I'll just show you the wallet here. Nice thick stitch work. It's a product that just feels like it's going to last forever. I actually ordered a Horween strap, a handmade Horween strap, about a year and a half ago from another seller. It ended up costing, first of all, about double what this one costs, and the quality is really good with Horween. It just wears really well, and over time it almost gets better with age. So one thing I noticed with this particular strap when I got it was on the back side there was the stitching there as well, and I thought maybe it would rub against the skin, but it doesn't at all. It feels really great on wrist. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look. As far as the prices go, the Horween leather straps start at around $45 US, which to me is a bargain. This particular wallet is $45. They go up from there, so that's not bad at all. So I just wanted to give you guys a really quick look at their products, and I'll give you a quick look at this one on wrist here too. All right, so here it is, and I am just loving this pairing for the Hamilton. This will go great on a whole bunch of different watches. Right out of the box, it's ultra comfortable on wrist, and like I said, these just age so well over time. If you haven't seen my video on our trip to Nashville, I actually picked up this watch on that trip, so I've had this for 2 or 3 months, and I wasn't really going to do a video because there's so many videos on these ones, but I think I might because it's just such a great watch. It's really simple, but a nice solid watch. So full disclosure, these products were sent out free of charge from Popov. They are a great product, and especially considering the price. The other cool thing with Popov is they actually give a lifetime warranty on all of their products. So they stand behind their product, and I am really happy with it. So that's it for the leather goods here. Let's move on to the Timex. So hopefully we have the right watch here because this box is massive, and I've seen the box that these come out in, and it's quite small and skinny, so I'm not sure what's up with this, but let's get into it here. So yeah, just a lot of packaging. All right, let's get this stuff out of the way here. Okay, so first of all, we have the model number here on the back, which is TW2T80700, Movement Japan and Band China. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following these on eBay or not. These are listed anywhere from the 300s all the way up to $650 US. And the hype machine is in full effect. I was looking at the solds, and there's some that have actually sold over $500, which I think is kind of crazy, really. But we'll see how I feel once we get this open here. So here it is. And the thing that drew me to this right away, first of all, I love a Pepsi bezel, but the bracelet, this vintage style bracelet, is just so cool. There's a little write-up on the back of the box, or the top of the box there. This is a reissue of a watch from 1979. We'll go over all of that in the full review, so let's get it out of the packaging, and we'll just move this stuff out of the way here too. All right, so here it is, and I've got all the plastic off. There was just plastic actually on the crystal, but it's a pretty cool looking watch. I really like that case design, and it's pretty true to the original. I've seen some posts on Instagram, and right down to that bracelet, it's pretty well identical. I'm not sure if maybe they've changed the dimensions. I think this one's a 38 millimeter. I'm not sure what the original was. One little negative I noticed right away, though, is the bracelet is actually bent just slightly. You can see that it sort of curves up there a little bit. I'm pretty sure I can straighten that out by hand, but the crystal is acrylic. We have a friction bezel there for that second time zone, and I'm a big fan of Pepsi bezels, so I really like that. It's an awesome looking watch. At the prices they're asking on eBay, I would say it would definitely be a no-go for me, especially after handling it. At retail, it's a fun watch, and a nice little touch that they've added that battery hatch there, but pretty cool. So I will be wearing this for the next week or two, and we'll come back with the full review, but let me give you guys a quick look on wrist. All right, so here it is. I did manage to get the bracelet straightened out quite a bit there, and is it ever comfortable on this bracelet? It just conforms perfectly to the wrist. It's nice and slender on wrist, and I really like that domed acrylic crystal. This thing is just oozing 70s vintage vibes, and I'm really liking it so far. It's a fun watch. This will be a fun summer kind of a knock-around watch, especially if you can land one at a decent price. I did see somewhere that they were saying that Timex will have more of these in stock in September. So if you can wait till then, I would definitely do that versus paying some of these crazy eBay prices. But that's it for today, guys. Look out for the full review here in the next few days, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.